Hello friends, and welcome to today's video. As you can see by the title of this video, it is unfortunately midterms week. However, that's not what this video is about. We actually got a 3-day weekend, so I decided to take advantage of it, and we are going on a little road trip. I am super excited for this. It was very on a whim, but I think it's gonna be so much fun. And of course, you guys are coming with me. Also, if you're new here, hi, what's up? My name is Melanie, and welcome to my channel. I love making lifestyle, fashion, crafting, baking, hiking, kind of everything content. I've been trying especially hard to document my last semester of senior year, and even though you can tell by this video it's not completely school focused, nor does it take place on campus, I still want to bring you along for my last semester of college. So thanks for joining. Hi friends, we have made it to the car. We are well on our way. It's too hot. Hello friends, we are taking off on our little road trip right now. Let me focus while I make like a 5-point turn. We are starting our 3-hour journey right now. I really hope I don't regret this. I honestly don't see myself regretting it at all. I think I'm definitely the kind of person who is always grateful for a break, but this morning, I took a very intense midterm. I have another midterm on Monday, and then I have another one on Wednesday. However, we have a 3-day weekend, as I've mentioned. So we are going on a little road trip, and we are going to, drum roll, we're going to Sequoia National Park, which I'm super excited for because I've just been loving the national parks, and only been to Joshua Tree in California. Also, I hope my camera's not too bouncy. It probably is, but whatever. I just love going to parks, and I am meeting Alex there because he's in the Bay. I am in Malibu, and it's perfectly like halfway for us. So we found a really good steal on an Airbnb, and this is where we're heading for the 3-day weekend. Also, like right before this, I randomly was like cutting jalapenos because they're going bad. So I was like chopping them up, putting them in the freezer, and guys, I like touched my face with my fingers after, and like after I washed my hands and everything. But these are like the world's spiciest jalapenos or something, because my fingers are still burning. That was like 45 minutes ago. My fingers are burning. My face was burning for a while. It was just so unpleasant. But anyways, I'll see you guys when we get there. Okay guys, so we have clearly made it to the Airbnb. It's just like this little room, like a private room in someone's place, and it's like 30 minutes from the national park, and it's pretty nice. I was rushing to get here a little bit early because I got this little basket for Alex because he just started his first week of work, so I wanted to give him a little like congrats. Low-key, the drive was kind of crazy. I think I drove the scariest road I have ever driven in my life. It was so windy. Also, my hands started fully burning. Like, I think it was all because of the jalapeno. Like, I was going crazy the entire 3-hour drive. My hand was burning. Like, I had to hold it in front of the car fan because it was not doing well, but that's on me for being too stubborn to pull over and like wash my hands. It was quite an interesting drive.
Oh, you didn't have to do this. Oh.
He's shy.
Hey. Yeah.
Alright guys, it's a little bit later now. We got some food. We got Starbucks. We had to do the very last BOGO fall drinks for the season. So we got the pumpkin spice chai, which was really good actually. And then we also got the apple crisp frappuccino, which we're talking about how we haven't had frappuccinos in so long. But it was actually really good. It was like really good dessert. But that's pretty much it for today. Guys, you're not gonna believe me. Can you see that? We woke up at literally like 5 a.m. It's Friday and I got school off, but Alex actually has to work, and I told him I would wake up with him because I actually like genuinely need to study. So the first part of today is just gonna be studying, which I actually really need, but I don't know the last time I ever woke up this early. It's probably to go hiking. I'm not really someone who wakes up this early, but honestly, it wasn't that bad today. But I will probably crash while I'm studying for econ. Good morning, guys. So it's kind of crazy because it's only like 9:30. Oh, and it's bright.
Right, yeah.
Yeah, it's really bright. But it's only 9:30 because we've been up since like 5 a.m. But we are in dire need of some coffee. So we're going to a nearby coffee shop. We're gonna grab some breakfast and then we are gonna be off to Sequoia. We're here for a couple of days and we wanted to go tomorrow because we have like a full free weekend day. But it's randomly supposed to rain, so our plans got a little mixed up, but we are making it work because I want to see the giant tree. That's the update for now. We will see you at coffee.
Who's to know what happens when the world ends? At least this is an okay bar for running into you. It's an awful house, and I wanted to get you out. I'm working on a plan right now to come through.
Alright, so we came to get biscuit. Can you tell how large it is? It looks dense. This is honey butter. Update, guys, we made it into the park. I'm super guilty of doing this. I did this when we went to Banff together. I just mapped the Airbnb we're staying at to Sequoia National Park and not like the actual hikes we plan on doing. So instead of a 40-minute drive, we actually had like an hour 40-minute drive, and that's like the same thing that happened when we went to Banff a couple summers ago. We drove to Banff every day with like a 2-hour commute because we like didn't check how close the Airbnb actually was, but it's okay. We're just here for the day. So we are like an hour into our drive and we will be soon seeing the world's largest tree. Also, anyone else keep everything at their feet in the car?
You're gonna be alone on that one.
Hey, I don't think so. It's a passenger princess thing. Really?
Putting your sandwiches, just
Not just sandwiches, like everything.
oh, okay.
2 water bottles, we're not really strangers.
Yeah.
Map. Apple.
So very relatable.
Thank you. We have yet to see a sequoia tree.
I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a lifetime for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. What's the point in dreaming if I lose my voice? The second I get caught by you, I wanted you to know that I'm afraid.
This is General Sherman, the largest tree, not by height or by weight, but by volume. What do you think?
It's big. It's beautiful.
But we can make it go away. I hope you hear the things I say when I'm choked up next to you. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down. Oh, nothing feels the same.
So intense.
Without
Oh my god,
you
it's beautiful.
now. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. And all my friends are wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting mine. But if you talk to me again, it'd be worth it.
I think it's our 4th national park together. Where would you rank it?
Out of all of them?
Mm-hmm.
I mean, we only saw like 2. We saw the biggest tree in the world, and then we saw just this one small hike. So
Okay, this one small
Hard to
hike was
rank.
really cool.
Yeah,
It's
it
kind of
was.
crazy. I called it a mini half dome. Anyways,
Mini
we
half.
have a 2-hour drive back home. We'll see ya.
definitely worth the 2-hour drive.
Hey guys, so it's the next day. Our big thing on the agenda today was simply getting Dutch Bros. We accidentally ordered mediums because we didn't realize how big they are.
They're huge.
So yeah, now we have like 50 ounces of coffee. But let's taste test.
It's better than I thought.
Oh, good.
Mine tastes like chocolate milk.
Yours doesn't even taste blended. It's really sweet.
Mine is really sweet. It makes yours taste like water.
Originally today we were gonna go hiking like for the whole day, but because of weather we switched things around and went yesterday. Kind of crammed it in there, but today we kind of have a full day with like nothing really to do. So we're gonna try to go thrifting because that's always our like resort to thing. We already got our coffee, but we're gonna check out the downtown probably and just hang out.
Wasting time, and I'm afraid I'm wasting my whole life trying to be something I can't. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now. I've waited for a long time for you to calm down. 'Cause nothing feels the same without you now.
Sadly, it is now Sunday and we both have to drive home soon, so this is the end of our little vlog. Thank you guys so much for coming along with me, and I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. It was honestly such a nice little relaxing trip, apart from all the school stuff that's been going on and that's been so stressful. I'm really grateful that I could take this trip. And again, I need to go home and start studying ASAP. But thank you guys so much for joining, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. Just kidding, there's a car coming.